Ever wondered if you can actually get your money out of that Beam wallet? You know, the one you've been diligently stacking sats in? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Beam wallet withdrawals and figuring out if it's even possible. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency known for its strong emphasis on user anonymity. This focus on privacy naturally raises questions about how to access and withdraw your funds while maintaining that anonymity. So, let's cut to the chase. Can you withdraw funds from a Beam wallet? The short answer is yes, you can withdraw funds from a Beam wallet. However, it's not as straightforward as simply transferring money to your bank account. Beam operates on a decentralized network, meaning there's no central authority to facilitate traditional withdrawals. Explanation of withdrawal methods. Here's how you typically withdraw funds from a Beam wallet. Exchange trading. The most common method is to exchange your Beam for another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These cryptocurrencies generally have more liquidity and can be more easily traded on centralized exchanges. From there, you can usually withdraw your funds to your bank account. Over-the-counter, OTC, trades, you can find individuals or groups willing to buy your Beam directly. These trades usually happen through secure messaging platforms and often involve peer-to-peer transactions. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs allow you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users without the need for intermediaries. This can be a more private option, but it may have lower liquidity compared to centralized exchanges. Important considerations. Before withdrawing, keep these points in mind. Fees, exchange fees, network fees, and potential withdrawal fees can impact your final payout. Security. Prioritize security when choosing withdrawal methods. Avoid suspicious platforms and always double-check addresses before sending funds. Privacy. While Beam prioritizes privacy, some withdrawal methods may compromise your anonymity. Choose methods that align with your privacy goals. Finding reliable exchanges. Finding reputable exchanges that support Beam can take some research. Look for platforms with a good track record, strong security measures, and a user-friendly interface. Withdrawing from a Beam wallet requires a bit more effort than traditional bank withdrawals. However, it's definitely possible with careful planning and the right approach. By understanding the available methods and their associated considerations, you can safely and securely access your funds while maintaining your privacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.